Hi, Huyen. Good morning.
Teacher.
Good morning.
Morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm very happy.
Oh, wait for a while. Okay. Sorry for yesterday because I thought we already end up time. When I checked my phone, we still have 10 minutes left. Sorry, teacher forgot. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are going to have the discussion for Unit 20. 20. We have here Alex, Ben, and Kim live here. Okay. Can you see this one?
Alex, Ben, and Kim lives here.
Live here.
Live here.
Very good. Okay. So,
Wow.
did you know?
Did you know?
Okay. You will have check, yes. X, no. Okay? Check,
Okay.
yes. X, no.
Okay.
Okay, here. This is the door. X.
No. X.
This is a car. Yes. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, look at this one. Look and read. Put, check if it's correct. X if it's not. Okay? How about number 1?
This kitchen.
Check
Check.
or X? Check.
Check.
Very good. This is a camera. Check.
X.
X. This is a family.
Check.
Check. Very good. This is a chair.
Check.
Check. This is a cat.
X.
X. Okay. Here. Very good. Now, okay. We will write the correct word next to numbers. Okay. You will choose the answer here. Okay, Ken? Okay. Kuya, you understand, teacher?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, you read and answer. You read.
A living room. I am in a house, a flat. Kim,
What's the answer?
Kim, Kim,
Family.
Kim family is in the big
In a big
armchairs
armchair. Very good. Or
on the sofa. Kim and her brother like watching television. In me,
there is
there is a photo Kim of Kim, Jack, and my words. The room next to is the bed. Kitchen. I? What am I? I am a living room.
okay. Okay. This is the living room. Okay. Can you read it again? Very good, Huyen. Yay. Correct. Very good. Okay. Here, you read it all. A living room. Go.
A living room.
I
am is in a house, a flat. Kim family sit in me. The big armchairs are on the sofa. Kim and her brother like watching television.
Television. Huyen, television. Okay.
In me, there is a photo of Kim, Dust, and my work. The room next to me is the kitchen.
Next
Next
to
to
me.
me is the kitchen. What am I? I am a living room.
Yeah, very. You understand this, Huyen?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. You understand this. Okay, here. Next. Very good, Huyen. Question time. Yeah, okay, here. Look at the pictures. Okay, look at the pictures. Okay. Are there photos on the wall in your living room?
Yes.
Yes. What are those photos? What are those photos on the wall? Oh, you look at the wall on the living room.
Family.
The family, very good. Yeah. Okay. Is there a television in your living room?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Is there a sofa in your living room?
No.
Is there a sofa in your living room?
No.
Are there armchairs?
Yes, there are.
Okay, yes, there are. Very good. Yay! You're very good to answer now. Okay, write names and number you choose. Okay, here. Okay, look at the picture of the house. Can you see the house? A family lives here. There are 2 children in the family, a boy and a girl. Again, look at the house. Look at the picture. This is a picture of a house. Yeah. A family lives here. There are 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now, imagine more information about this house. You know the word imagine? Okay,
No.
this one. Look this one. You know the word imagine? Think.
No.
Think. You know the word think? Think. You know this word think? You know this? Think. You think. More information about this house. What can you say about the house? What can you say? What can you say about the house? Look at the house. Okay, here. Okay, here, look at. Okay, teacher will. What's the name of the street? What do you think the name of the street?
This.
How can you name it all by yourselves?
No.
Okay. Okay, we will name the street. Okay, lesson Huyen. We will name the street. Okay. The family live in a. Okay, look at this one. The family live in a happy green street. Okay, what is the name of the street?
The family lives in happy green street.
Okay, wait, Huyen. Okay, wait. Your place is very noisy. You cannot hear. Okay. Okay, Huyen, look at this one. Okay. The family live in where?
Happy Green Street.
The number of the house is what?
The number of this house is
13?
13, 4, 5.
14, 4, 5. Very good. Huyen? Huyen? Oh, thank you, thank you. Because it's very noisy. Very noisy. It's very noisy. Noisy. Okay, it's okay now. It's okay now. It's okay now. Are there people in your house? Many people?
15, 4, 5.
Okay. The boy's name, okay, listen. The family live in Happy Green Street. Happy Green Street. The number of the house is what is the number, Huyen? 13, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, let's see. Maybe there's a video here, an audio. Okay, there's no audio here. Okay. Okay, here. So, you will have to choose here, Huyen. Okay, you will have to pick the family live in. Which do you want to pick, happy or green? Okay, the family live in Happy
Green Street.
Happy, oh, you pick only. The family live in Happy Street or Green Street? Look at the pictures. Okay, look at the pictures. They are happy. Oh, the family live in Happy Street. Oh, very good. The number of their house is 13, 4, or 5? You count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the number?
4.
Okay. The number of their house is 4. The boy's name is Tony or Mike? You pick. Pick one.
Mike.
Mike. Oh, and the girl's name is?
Linda.
Linda. Very good. And what do you think the name of the, okay, dog, cat, the bird, animals live with this family? Okay. What animal that live in the family?
Birds.
The birds. Okay. Birds live in the family. Okay. Now, what's the name of this street? Again, Huyen? 4?
4.
Happy Street. Okay. What's the number of this house?
4.
4. What's the boy's name?
Mike.
Mike. How old is he? Let us see. How old? Do you think he is 7? Okay. Can you tell me? I think he is any 7 or 8?
But
I think he is 7 or 8. Both?
7.
Okay. Just guess. Guess only. 7 or 8. Pick. 7? 8? What? What do you think, Huyen?
8.
Okay, 8. He is 8 years old. Okay. Now, the boy's name, okay, what? Have this family got a cat? Maybe?
Raining.
Okay.
Make.
Okay. A monkey. Do they have a monkey?
No.
No. Okay, let's have this. Okay. This is question time. You have to tell Teacher Ann, okay? Question
Okay.
time. Tell Teacher Ann. Okay, here. What's your name?
My name is Huyan.
How old are you, Huyan?
9 years old.
I am 9 years old. What's the name of your street?
Is in streets Thành 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 Yên Khát Khánh Hòa.
Yun Ka Changhua. Okay, teacher don't know. Okay, what number is your house? What is the number of your house?
Years 15.
15. Okay. How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Very good answer. There are 5 people in my family. Can you name them? Mother? Okay, go.
My grandpa, my father, my mother, my sister, and me.
Okay. So my grandpa, mother, father, sister, and you. Okay, very good answer, Huyan. Next here. Okay. Okay, here. How many trees are there in the picture? Okay. Listen carefully. You listen. Do you have paper? Where is your paper?
Yes.
Oh, paper. Yeah. Listen carefully and you will have to answer the question. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. You know how to listen, Huyan? Do you know how to color in the computer? You know how? No.
Hello.
You don't know how to color in the computer?
Computer. No.
Okay, okay. Listen, we will, okay. You listen carefully and please tell teacher Ann later what to color, okay? Listen. Teacher Ann will be the one to color, but you will be the one to tell me what is the color, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
20D. Alex, Ben, and Kim live here. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Look at the flats in this street. Can you see the tree behind the number 10 flats?
Yes, I can.
Great. Colour the tree behind those flats red, please.
Red?
Yes, that's right.
Can you see the red tree behind the number 10 flats? This is an example. Now you listen and colour. 1.
Colour the tree on the lorry now.
Pardon?
Colour the tree on the lorry.
Okay. Can I colour it yellow?
Yellow? Yes. Thank you.
2.
There's a tree in front of the bookshop too.
Oh, yes. Can I colour the tree in front of the bookshop blue?
Yes, you can.
Thanks. There. It's blue now.
Good.
I can see a tree in the street. Can I colour that one now?
Yes. Make it orange.
Make the tree in the street orange?
Yes, that's right.
4,
And there's a tree next to the clock.
Yes. That's a funny tree. I've got a purple pencil. Can I colour it purple?
OK,
Right. I'm colouring the tree next to the clock now.
5,
now, the tree in the park, it's behind the water. Can you see it?
Yes, I can. What colour is that tree?
It's green. Have you got a green pencil?
Yes, I have. I'm colouring it now. There.
Great.
Nào hai bạn đi ra ngoài nào.
Đâu?
Okay, now, Huyen, you understand? Do I need to repeat? No? Do I need to repeat? One more. Okay, one more.
Okay.
Okay, listen carefully. Please tell Teacher Ann what do I need to color? What will I color? Okay?
Okay.
20B. Alex, Ben, and Kim live here. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Look at the flats in this street. Can you see the tree behind the number 10 flats?
Yes, I can.
Great. Colour the tree behind those flats red, please.
Red?
Yes, that's right.
Can you see the red tree behind the number 10 flats? This is an example. Now you listen and colour. 1.
Colour the tree on the lorry now.
Pardon?
Colour the tree on the lorry.
Okay. Can I colour it yellow?
Yellow? Yes. Thank you.
2.
There's a tree in front of the bookshop too.
Oh, yes. Can I colour the tree in front of the bookshop blue?
Yes, you can.
Thanks. There. It's blue now.
Good.
3.
I can see a tree in the street. Can I colour that one now?
Yes. Make it orange.
Make the tree in the street orange?
Yes, that's right.
4.
And there's a tree next to the clock.
Yes. That's a funny tree. I've got a purple pencil. Can I colour it purple?
OK.
Right. I'm colouring the tree next to the clock now.
5.
Now, the tree in the park. It's behind the water. Can you see it?
Yes, I can. What colour is that tree?
It's green. Have you got a green pencil?
Yes, I have. I'm colouring it now. There.
Great.
20D.
Okay. First, what is the color? What do I need to color? Later, we will discuss that. Okay? Lesson to teacher. Okay? Here. How many trees are there in this picture? How many? There are?
There.
How many? Okay, how many? Huyen, how many trees are there in this picture? How many? Go! How many? 1? You count.
There. 7.
Oh, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. There are 7 trees in this picture. Okay, look at this one. This is tree on the lorry. What's the color? Number 1. What do I need to color? Okay, teacher Ann will color this one. What do I need to color for the first?
Red.
Okay.
No,
Yellow.
from a flat.
Okay, here. I will color this. What's the color? Yellow, right?
Yellow.
Next.
Yes.
Next. What's next?
In
What's next, Uyen? Next is?
orange.
Where's the orange? What tree will I color the orange? What tree? This one? In the
Yes.
street? Tree in the, sorry. What color is that?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, I will color this orange. Okay. Next, what tree will I need to color? What tree?
Is green.
Green. What tree will I need to color green? What tree?
Back.
At the back of the?
Water.
Okay, this one? Yeah, very good. At the back of the water, I need to color the tree green. What's next, Uyen?
Purple.
Purple. What clock do I need to color purple? What clock do I need to color purple? What clock?
Near clock.
Near the clock. Okay, this one?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Okay. How many trees do we have colored? Okay, here. Okay. Next one. What trees do I need to color blue? What trees do I need to color blue?
Near the small house.
Near the small house, the bookshop. This one?
Yes.
Yeah. We will check later if we are correct. If teacher Ann and Hoyen is correct. Okay, let's see this. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, now let us check. Okay, again, how many trees are there in this picture? How many? There are how many? There are 7. Very good. Oh, look at the city. It's nice now. The trees are colored. Many colored of the trees. Next. Okay. Wow, Huyen. Look at this one. Yellow. We are correct, Huyen. Next. Blue. Correct? Correct? Correct. Okay, next. What else? Orange. Yes, very good. Next. Oh, green and purple. Oh, correct, right? Purple, correct? Okay, we are correct, right? Yay!
Yeah.
Yeah, we are correct. Okay, now, oh, what's this? Okay, I will erase first. Okay. You understand, Huyen?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, now here. Okay. Read that sentences, Huyen. You will have to read the sentences, write Ben or Kim. Okay? Write Ben or Kim. The first one here, look at this one. This one, number 1. I will write number 1. This is number 1. And this is number 2. Okay. Number 1 is Ben's Street. Look at number 1 is Ben Street. Number 2 is Kim's Street. Okay, again. Number 1 is Ben's Street. Number 2 is Kim's Street. Okay. Here, look at this one. Okay. In Kim Street, this is Kim Street. Remember this one. This is Kim Street number 2. In Kim Street, many houses are small. Okay? There are many houses, small houses. Okay. Number 2. You will only pick Kim or Ben. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ben or Kim. You will tell teacher Ann, Ben or Kim. Okay. Number 2. You read and answer. There are no
cars in Kim Street.
Okay, there are no cars or lorries in Kim Street. Very good. Number 3.
There's a bookstop in Ben Street.
Very good. Okay, number 4.
In Penn Street, the flats are very tall.
Okay, very good. In Ben Street, the flats are very tall. Can you see that? Can you see the flat? Very tall. Do you understand, Huyen?
Yes.
Okay, number 5.
There's a park behind Ben Street.
Okay, number 6. Very good.
There are no trees. There are no trees.
Trees. There are no trees.
Kim Street.
Okay. There are no street in Kim Street. Look at this one. Okay, number 7. Very good, Huyen. Number 7.
You can see lots of people in Kim Street.
Okay, you can see lots of people in Kim Street. Very good. Now you understand, Huyen? You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, first, what can you say? Can you, okay, listen to teacher. Can you describe Ben Street? Describe. Tell something about Ben Street.
Okay.
Tell something about Ben Street.
It's so many trees.
Okay, Ben Street. Oh, start with Ben Street.
It's Ben Street.
Can you tell something about Ben Street?
No.
Okay, Can you tell something about Ben Street? Can you tell? Tell me about Ben Street. Example. Teacher Ann will have example. Okay, here. Look at this one. Ben Street. There are few people in Ben Street. Okay. What else? What can you describe Ben Street? Okay. Can you see? What can you say about Ben Street? Look at Ben Street. What can you say about Ben Street?
Ben Street.
Yeah, look at Ben Street. Look at Ben Street. Look. Are there many cars? Are there many trees? Okay.
Many cars.
There are many
trees.
Okay, very good. There are many cars and many streets. What else? There are
bookshops.
There are many cars and
house. The flats are very tall.
Wow, very good. Okay, wait. There are many cars and trees. What did you say? The house, the flats. The flats?
The flats were very tall.
Are very tall. Okay, what else? Are very tall. What else?
Very tall. And this.
Okay, there are many cars and trees. The flats are very tall. What else, Wian?
The it behind the house tall. It's very tall and big.
Okay, what is very tall and big?
Behind park.
Ah, behind the park. Where is it, the park? Oh, sorry, Teacher Ann cannot see. Okay. There is a tree behind the park. Again, Wian, again, please, again.
Behind the big house and very tall.
Okay. Behind the big house, there's a tree which is very tall. Another. Look at.
People.
There are.
People.
People are. Okay, what can you say about the people? What can you say about the people? Are there many people? Oh, Teacher Ann said, there are only few, not many people in the street, in Ben Street, right? No, few people, not many. Okay. Okay, next now, let's go to Kim Street. You describe Kim Street. Okay, Kim. Kim Street. You describe Kim Street.
Many people.
Kim Street has many.
Has many people.
Okay. Huyen, don't forget to use has. Kim Street has many people. Okay. Has because we are talking Kim Street. Only one. Not many. Okay. Has. Has is singular. Only one. Huyen, you remember that? You remember that?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Kim Street has many people. What else?
Has many house small.
It has many.
Many house
No.
small.
It has many small
House.
houses. It has many small houses. Small houses. Okay. What's next?
Yes.
What else? Okay. What else? Describe about Kim Street.
Kim Street not trees.
Don't have not. Okay. Kim Street
Don't have trees.
Okay, what else?
Is Kim Street don't have car.
Okay. Okay. Lesson, Huyen, sorry. Kim Street is only one. Lesson, sorry. Kim Street is only one, so we will use does. Because does, remember teacher Ann told you, does not have trees. Okay. Kim Street doesn't have, okay, doesn't. We will use doesn't. That's because only one street, Kim Street. Kim Street, okay. Kim Street doesn't have trees. Okay. And what else? And
Kim
no
Street doesn't
have cars.
have got car.
Okay. Kim Street doesn't have trees and cars. Oh, doesn't have trees and cars. Okay. What else?
No.
Okay, those are the one you described. So, which do you think, okay, which do you think is better or the place that you want to live? Ben Street or Kim Street? You pick. Which place do you want to live? Ben Street or Kim Street? Which? You want Ben Street?
Ben Street.
Oh, why Ben Street? Why do you like Ben Street?
Is in a book shop.
Big.
I read a book.
Oh, really? Okay. You like Ben Street because there is a bookshop and you like to read books. Okay?
Okay.
Is that what you mean? What other reason? Okay. Okay. You like Ben Street because there is a bookshop. What else? More.
Is in a park.
There is a park. Yes. Okay. There is one more.
Is in a house tour.
Okay. The flats and houses are, don't forget the verb. flats and houses are tall. Look at teacher, wait. The flats and houses are tall. Okay? Okay, Huyen. The flats and houses are tall. Don't say the flats and houses tall. No. Don't forget the verb are. This one. Okay, wait, teacher. This one are. The flats and houses are tall. Okay? Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay. Another. You like Ben Street because there is a bookshop. You like Ben Street because there is a park. And the flats and the houses are tall. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. What else, Kin? What else, Huyen?
Yes.
What else? More. You talk more.
Trees.
The trees? What were the trees? What happened to the trees?
Trees.
Why?
I like street in a clean.
Oh, you like? Again, Huyen?
I like trees.
I like?
Trees.
Trees. Okay. Okay, you want Ben Street because there are trees, right? And you like trees. Okay, is that what you mean?
Yes.
Okay. So Huyen like this. I like, look at here.
Car.
Clean trees. Okay, wait for this one. Okay, wait. Clean, you like clean or tall trees? Tall. Listen to teacher. I like tall trees. Okay. Sorry. I love the tall. I love the clean park. Okay. Look at teacher Anne. Here. Oh, yeah. This one. I will transfer it here. Okay. Look at that one. Okay. Okay. Look at this one. Can you read it? I like. Oh, yeah. I cannot hear you. Okay.
Yeah.
I like tall trees. Can you read?
I like car.
Again, I like tall trees.
I like tall trees.
Number 2, I love the clean park.
I love a clean art.
Park.
Art.
Okay, listen to teacher, listen. Here, can you see this one? Tall, clean. Okay. When you make a sentence, Huyen, like this, I like tall trees here. So, always remember, Huyen, the adjective, this is adjective, tall. Okay? The adjective is tall. Number 2, the adjective is clean. Okay? Number 1, the adjective is tall. Listen, face to the computer. Look at the computer. I like tall trees. What is the adjective? Tall, right? Tall.
Yes.
Okay. What do you mean again by adjective? You forgot adjective? Describe a person, place, or things. Like when I say, example of adjective, beautiful, pretty, ugly. Okay. Anything that describe a person, a place, or a thing, Huyen, it's adjective here. It's adjective. Okay, can you see that? It's
Yes.
adjective. Okay. I like tall trees. Okay. I love the clean park. Okay. So when you say, I like tall trees, here, the adjective is tall. Do you understand me? The adjective is tall. So, tall describe trees. What kind of trees, Huyen?
I love the clean park.
Okay, no. Number one here. What kind of trees? I like tall trees. What kind of trees? Tall.
I like tall
trees. Tall, okay? Tall. Okay, here.
trees.
I love the clean park. Okay. What kind of park? What kind of park, Huyen? Clean. What kind of park? What kind of park? Clean park. So, listen to teacher. Trees, tall. Park, clean. Okay? Okay, Huyen?
Okay.
Okay. So, the adjective here, number one, tall, describe the trees. Tall trees. Number two, clean. The adjective clean describe park. Clean park. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So every time you make sentence, one sentence I will give you. Okay, here. Huyen is beautiful. Okay, look at this one. Huyen. Okay. Huyen is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Okay. So I describe Huyen as beautiful. Huyen is beautiful. Okay. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Beautiful is adjective. Do you understand, Huyen? Beautiful is adjective because it describes Huyen. Huyen is beautiful. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. Next time, next lesson, I will also discuss you. During our test, during our lesson, teacher will discuss you about this. Okay? You need to know how to make sentence. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. You understand this?
Yes.
What? Give me example of adjective again. One example. Adjective.
The flats and I like Penn Street because the bookshop is I like read a book.
Oh, like that.
House are tall.
Oh.
I like tall trees.
Okay, I like tall trees.
The park.
Okay. Tall, look at teacher. Tall, clean, beautiful. They are adjective, Huyen. Again, tall, clean, beautiful.
Beautiful.
They are adjective. Okay, can you read it? Adjective. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Good job, Huyen. Okay, Huyen, we will see each other next week, okay?
Okay.
Okay. For now, Teacher Ann will say goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, see you and thank you. Okay, bye-bye, Huyen.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, bye. See you. Okay. Bye-bye.